guidance and support. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a young boy named Raj. Raj had always been fascinated by bicycles and dreamed of becoming the world champion one day. Every day after school, he would rush to the local park, where he practiced riding his bike with passion and determination. Raj's parents supported his dreams and encouraged him to pursue his passion. They bought him a shiny red bicycle, which he named Lightning, and it became his most prized possession. With Lightning by his side, Raj felt invincible. As years went by, Raj's skills on the bike improved tremendously. He participated in local cycling competitions and won several medals. However, his dream of becoming the world champion seemed far-fetched, as he faced tough competitors from around the world. One day, a renowned cycling coach named Coach Arif visited Raj's town. He had trained many world champions and was known for his expertise in the field. Raj saw this as an opportunity not to be missed. He approached Coach Arif and shared his dream of becoming the world champion. Impressed by Raj's determination, Coach Arif agreed to train him. The training was intense and demanding, but Raj embraced every challenge with unwavering resolve. Coach Arif taught him various techniques, including speed and endurance training, as well as the importance of strategy in races. Months passed, and Raj's skills improved by leaps and bounds. Coach Arif believed that Raj had the potential to make his dream a reality. He encouraged him to participate in the upcoming National Cycling Championship, where the best riders from all over the country would compete. The day of the championship arrived, and Raj was filled with nervous excitement. As the race began, he faced stiff competition from experienced riders. However, he used the techniques and strategies he had learned from Coach Arif to stay focused and determined. The race was intense, with riders jostling for position and giving their all to gain an advantage. Raj remained focused on his goal, ignoring the fatigue and pain in his legs. With every pedal, he inched closer to his dream. As the finish line approached, Raj found himself neck and neck with his biggest rival, Mark. The crowd erupted into cheers as the two riders fought for the lead. In the final moments, Raj summoned all his strength and surged ahead, crossing the finish line in first place. The victory was a turning point in Raj's journey. His performance caught the attention of national cycling selectors, and he was chosen to represent his country in the World Cycling Championship. The World Cycling Championship was the ultimate test for Raj. Riders from every corner of the globe gathered to compete for the prestigious title. Raj felt a mix of nervousness and excitement as he prepared for the race. Coach Arif reminded him to believe in himself and to stay focused on his strengths. The race day arrived, and the atmosphere was electric. Raj lined up alongside some of the world's best cyclists, feeling a mix of admiration and determination. As the starting gun fired, he pedaled with all his might, using every skill and strategy he had learned. The race was grueling, with challenging terrains and unpredictable weather. Raj faced setbacks and obstacles but remained resilient. He pushed through exhaustion and self-doubt, motivated by his dream and the support of his loved ones. In the final lap of the race, Raj found himself in the leading group. He could feel victory within reach, but it would require an extraordinary effort. Summoning every ounce of energy, he launched himself forward, leaving his competitors trailing behind. With the finish line in sight, Roger's legs burned, and his heart pounded. The crowd erupted into cheers as he crossed the finish line, arms raised in triumph. He had done it. Raj had become the world champion, fulfilling his lifelong dream. Tears of joy streamed down his face as he received the gold medal and stood on the podium, the national flag fluttering above him. He thanked Coach Arif for his guidance and support and dedicated his victory to his family and friends who had believed in him. Raj's journey from a small-town cyclist to a world champion inspired many young riders around the world. His story became a testament to the power of dreams, determination, and hard work. From that day forward, Raj's name would be etched in the annals of cycling history, a symbol of unwavering ambition and the pursuit of greatness. Bicycle vocabulary. Pedals. Use in a sentence. I used my feet to push the pedals and make the bicycle move forward. Handlebars. Use in a sentence. I gripped the handlebars tightly as I steered the bicycle around the corner. Frame. Use in a sentence. The bicycle had a sturdy steel frame that provided stability and support. Wheels. Use in a sentence. The spinning wheels of the bicycle allowed it to glide smoothly along the road. Saddle. Use in a sentence. I adjusted the height of the saddle to ensure a comfortable riding position. Brakes. Use in a sentence. I squeezed the brake levers to slow down and stop the bicycle safely. Chain. Use in a sentence. The chain connected the pedals to the rear wheel, transferring the power of my pedaling. Gears. Use in a sentence. I shifted the gears to make it easier or harder to pedal depending on the terrain. Bell. Use in a sentence. I rang the bell on my bicycle to alert pedestrians that I was approaching. Basket. Use in a sentence. I attached a basket to the front of my bicycle to carry my belongings while riding. Reflectors. Use in a sentence. The bicycle had reflectors on the wheels and pedals to increase visibility at night. Kickstand. Use in a sentence. I used the kickstand to keep the bicycle upright when I parked it. Headlight. Use in a sentence. The bright headlight on my bicycle illuminated the path ahead during nighttime rides. Tire. Use in a sentence. I checked the tire pressure before each ride to ensure a smooth and comfortable journey. Mudguard. Use in a sentence. The mudguards on the bicycle prevented dirt and water from splashing onto me. Spokes. Use in a sentence. The spokes of the wheels provided structural support and helped distribute weight. Chainring. The spokes of the wheels provided structural support and helped distribute weight. Chainring. Use in a sentence. I shifted the chainring to switch between different gear ratios for efficient pedaling. Freewheel. Use in a sentence. The freewheel allowed the rear wheel to rotate independently when coasting. Pump. Use in a sentence. I used a bicycle pump to inflate the tires whenever they needed more air. Helmet. Use in a sentence. Wearing a helmet is essential for safety while riding a bicycle to protect the head in case of a fall. Make sure to use these bicycle-related vocabulary words in sentences to describe various parts and features of a bicycle.